Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to lock your album in Grindr. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to lock album in Grindr, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Grindr app. So once you open your Grindr app, Grindr's album feature does not allow users to directly lock an album in the sense of preventing access to its content. However, as you have opened your Grindr, instead it offers features to control who can see your album. So who can see your album, or you can also give them permission or access about it, and it provides safety measures when sharing. So you can share your album with specific profiles and unshare it from those profiles. Additionally, Grindr also blocks screenshots of photos within the album. So you cannot lock your album in Grindr. However, Grindr provides you a sense of safety in it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.